Hello everyone, my name is Kaila Suresh. I'm a second year MSW student in Sri Savarish College, Murikimayal. My presentation is on organization of various healthcare systems, focusing on private indigenous voluntary healthcare system. This topic is from our course Healthcare Administration and Community Health. It highlights how India's mixed health structure function. A healthcare system refers to organized institution, resources, and people delivering health services. India's model is pluralistic, meaning multiple systems coexist: private, public, traditional, and voluntary. Today, we will focus on private, indigenous, and voluntary system which supplement the government's role. Structure of Indian healthcare system. The public system provides basic and preventive care, while the private sector handles a large portion of secondary and tertiary services. The indigenous and voluntary system fill cultural and community gaps. Together, they are aimed towards health for all. Through coordination remains a challenge. Private healthcare system. The private sector includes hospital, clinics, diagnostic centers run by individuals or companies. It offers advanced service mostly in urban areas and is financed largely through patients' payment or insurance. The pros and cons of private system. The private sector provides efficient specialized care and is expensive and inaccessible for many. It helps reduce government load but can prioritize profit or patient welfare. Regulation and affordability are major concerns here. The indigenous health system. The indigenous system include Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, and Homeopathy, together known as Ayush. It focuses on prevention, lifestyle, and balance between body and mind. The Ministry of Ayush has been established to promote and integrate these systems. The strengths and challenges of indigenous system. Indigenous healthcare is affordable, trusted, and culturally relevant. However, lack of research, standardization, and regulation limits its global acceptance. Integration with modern medicine could make it more efficient. The voluntary healthcare system. Voluntary organizations are non-profit groups that deliver services and awareness programs for public welfare. They often work in remote areas and support vulnerable groups like women, children, and the elderly. Examples include Indian Red Cross and HelpAge India. Strengths and issues of voluntary sector. These organizations have deep community connection and flexible approaches. However, they face funding shortage, limited manpower, and need stronger coordination with government system. A comparative view. The private system focuses on curative care, indigenous on preventive wellness, and voluntary on outreach and education. Each has strengths, but only when integrated can they form a balanced healthcare network. In conclusion, India's healthcare structure is diverse yet fragmented. Private, indigenous, and voluntary systems all contribute significantly but require better regulation and collaboration. Effective health administration must prioritize accessibility, affordability, and inclusive. Thank you for listening.